Hi, Shayna LMT here, and this week I'm going to share with you some rolling techniques. And this week I'm actually using the Trigger Point foam roller stick. I like this stick because this is very grippy and it's easy to hold on to. And this is a high density foam and it has texture, which makes it really great for myofascial release. The first technique I'm going to get into today is a quad rolling technique. I'm going to take and grab the stick roller, however it's comfortable, and just apply medium pressure and roll. Back and forth. I'm going to move to the outside, maybe getting a little bit of that IT band and moving to the inside. I'm not going really fast, just a nice slow pace. And I'm probably going to stay here for maybe 30 seconds at most. Less is best with pressure. You don't want to overdo it. And when I'm done rolling, I'm going to actually use the stick for balance. And I'm going to get into that quad stretch. So I'm going to grab the back of my leg and I'm going to feel a nice stretch, which actually feels nice now that I've rolled. The next technique I'm going to share with you is a hamstring rolling technique. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab underneath so that your palms are forward. I like doing this way because then I'm using my biceps as opposed to hunching over and using my shoulders. So I'm really ergonomically using my body better so I can move better. Same thing. I'm going to apply a moderate pressure and I'm just rolling on the inside, underneath, and on the outside. And I'm going to do this for a series of maybe 30 seconds just to loosen that up, going back and forth. And when I'm finished, I'm going to go ahead and stretch out my hamstring, stretching forward. And it feels really nice. Incorporating rolling into your muscle care or any kind of workout is going to be highly beneficial for maintaining the length and health of your muscles. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait for you to see more videos that I'm going to share coming up.